Every app on your phone right now is running on something that almost never happened: the cloud. But before it was a trillion-dollar industry, it was just one engineer's wild dream, scribbled on a napkin in 1969. J.C.R. Licklider, a visionary at ARPA, imagined a world where every computer on the planet was connected, sharing power, sharing data. He called it the Intergalactic Computer Network. People thought he was out of his mind. For decades, companies were trapped. Every business had to buy massive, expensive servers, entire rooms full of humming metal boxes. You needed IT staff, cooling systems, and a fortune just to run a website. It was exhausting and wildly inefficient. Then in 2002, Amazon had a secret problem. Their own engineers were drowning in internal infrastructure chaos. So they did something radical. They rebuilt everything as clean, reusable services. And then a bold executive asked, "What if we sold this to everyone?" In 2006, Amazon Web Services launched EC2 and S3, letting anyone rent a server or store files for pennies per hour. A startup that once needed $1 million in hardware could now launch for the cost of a pizza. The world would never be the same. Google and Microsoft watched and panicked. Google Cloud and Microsoft Azure launched within years, igniting a war for the cloud. Billions of dollars poured in. Data centers multiplied across every continent. The cloud wasn't a trend. It was the new foundation of civilization. Today, the cloud powers everything. Netflix streams to 260 million households, Spotify serves 600 million listeners, and AI models like ChatGPT and Claude think their thoughts inside cloud data centers. That napkin sketch from 1969 is now the backbone of modern life. One engineer, one wild idea, 50 years of stubborn belief. The cloud didn't fall from the sky, it was built piece by people who refused to accept that computing had to be hard. And the next chapter? It's being written right now. By someone just like you.